Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Love Sparks on your phone, no jailbreak. So this works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I have tons of resources. So to download it, go to hexmods.com, find the Love Sparks, press on it, press the download button, and before it downloads, you will have to do a verification. This is very easy, and all you have to do is download like 2 apps, complete the instructions. So let me just walk you guys through the process, show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. All right. So as you can see, guys, it says take a few minutes to complete verification, keeps the server safe. So you just press on the app, it redirects you to the app store, you're going to be good to go. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, some of them are different. It's all different types of requirements. Some of the time you'll have to be just downloading the app. Some of the time you have to play it for like a certain amount of levels. But as you can see, when we go to the in-app purchases, the game is super expensive. So personally, I don't want to pay for it. If you want to pay for it, guys, that's your business. But personally, I'm going to get everything for free using this modded version. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. This is so cool. So yeah, look at that, guys. Damn. So yeah, that's crazy, bro. So yeah, just do the verification first. You can see it says take a few minutes to complete verification. Keeps the server safe. And they got a chat box. You can actually ask for help, which is crazy, bro. I mean, there's everything in here that you need. So peace out, bro, if you like Love Sparks. I mean, that's awesome. Look at that. A modded version has come into our life. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I mean, that's crazy, bro. So yeah, Love Sparks mod. Wow, never thought I'd see the day. But if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it because this is super cool and fully works on iOS and Android devices. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.